What was the nature of Bhakti movement and other religious traditions in South India? Why do you listen to music? Not very difficult to answer, right? You listen to music because it makes you feel good. And when good music is combined with meaningful poetry, it gives you a whole new experience. In fact, some people in history used it so well that they could spread the message of love and devotion to God in an effective way. One such group of people were the Nayanars and Alvars, who became prominent between 7th and 9th centuries in South India. The Nayanars were devoted to Shiva and Alvars were dedicated to Vishnu. What was unique about them was that they came from all castes, including those considered untouchables at that time. They were inspired by the ideals of love and heroism found in the Sangam literature. To spread their message, they composed devotional poems, set them to music, and traveled to different places to sing them. Out of 12, Periyalvar, his daughter Andal, Tondaradipodi Alvar, and Nammalvar were some of the most known Alvars. Appar, Sambandar, Sundarar, and Manikkavasagar were 4 renowned Nayanars out of 63. The Bhakti traditions of these saints left a deep impact on the culture. The Chola and Pandya kings constructed temples around the shrines where these saints visited. Construction of these temples eventually established a close link between Bhakti tradition and temple worship. This was also a time when biographies of many of these saints were written, which we use as historical sources today. There were many others who were infusing bhakti with philosophy, and Shankara was one such philosopher. He was born in the 8th century Kerala. According to his philosophy of Advaita, both Atman, individual soul, and Brahman, universal soul, were one. Brahman is shapeless and has no attributes whatsoever. It is an unchanging, ultimate reality. He taught that the world is nothing but an illusion or Maya. Hence, one should renounce the world and walk on the path of knowledge. The ultimate aim of a person should be to comprehend the nature of Brahman and salvation. Ramanuja made further contributions to the tradition of bhakti and philosophy in South India. He was born in Tamil Nadu and was greatly influenced by the Alvars. He taught that intense devotion to Vishnu is the path to salvation. He propounded the philosophy of Vishisht Advaita, or qualified oneness, in which even when Atman is united with Brahman, it remains distinct. When the Bhakti and philosophy traditions were gaining ground in South India, some opposed Brahminical ideas on caste and treatment to women. Basavanna's Virashaivism aimed to establish equality among men and women and opposed idol worship. Here is what we have learned.